Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to disable an entire code plugin. For example, we have utilities for controlling the opacity of an element. So these are all the opacity classes which we have used in our project. Okay, so these boxes have utility classes called opacity. So if I go to index.html, so here are the boxes where we have used this opacity 40. Okay, so let's say in our project we don't want to use this opacity classes, so what we have to do to disable it? So here is the code for that. So this is not the right way of doing it. Okay, if we do this way, the document says that don't assign an empty object in your theme configuration. Okay, this is not the right way of doing it, but this is the right way of disabling the plugin. Okay, so let me copy this code, and we need to go to VS Code, and inside the Tailwind configuration, we don't need to paste inside the theme. We should paste it before the theme or after the theme. Okay, outside the theme. And here we need to add a comma. If I save this, now this opacity class won't work. Okay, now the entire thing is false. So if I do opacity, it doesn't work. Okay, so this is something different. BG opacity is different, but this opacity is not working. And let's say if I comment this out, okay, and if I save this, and if I go back again, and now if I try, okay, let me save this. Now if I try opacity, now it is working. You can see all the classes. Okay, so this is how you can disable a particular utility class. So if I go to configuration, and if I scroll down, so here are the keys for that. Okay, let's say you want to disable a CSS class which is called object position. Okay, if I go there, so here is object position. You don't want to use all these classes for your project, so you need to search here object position. Okay, 1 second. So this is the way you need to write, because object position is 2 words, so you need to use it in camel case, like object, and P should be capital. Okay, so now instead of opacity, you need to paste this. So now all this class will be disabled. Okay, if I go back to index.html, and here if I write object, you won't see the class. Okay, but if I comment this out, save this, go back, and now if I write object, now here you can see we got all the classes related to that. Okay, so object cover, object fill. Okay, so object left, object left. Okay, so here are all the classes related to object. So object left, object center. Now we are getting all the classes. Okay, so this is how you can disable a particular set of classes, and you need to check here in the configuration the keys. Okay, so here are all the keys. We have screens, colors, columns, spacing. Okay, we need to use camel case like backdrop contrast. So this is very useful if you don't want to use any of the classes in your project. So this is it for this video.